Hello everyone! Are you wondering what fluid flux means? Let's explore. Fluid flux is a gender identity that changes frequently and fluidly, often shifting between different genders over time. For someone who is fluid flux, their gender identity is not only fluid but also fluctuates in intensity or type, meaning they might experience varying degrees of different genders at different times. This identity is highly dynamic, reflecting the constantly changing nature of how the individual experiences and expresses their gender. Fluid flux challenges the idea of a stable or fixed gender, offering a way to describe a gender experience that is both fluid and fluctuating in its expression. In essence, being fluid flux is about having a gender identity that is in a constant state of change, with shifts in both the type and intensity of gender experienced. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.